Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bublis World Cuisine. The golden mixture that I'm stirring is a magic mixture that gives you relief from common cold, flu, phlegm that's on your chest, and many other things that really makes us suffer during winter. All you need is 2 to 4 tablespoons of this mixture mixed in some lukewarm water and drink it, and it gives you a lot of relief. Now, if you're interested in knowing this home remedy, let's get started. My first ingredient is ginger. Now, ginger has been used in medicine for ages. It has a lot of medicinal properties. Ginger has anti inflammatory properties, which is very good when used as a medicine for cold and cough. So I have around 4 inches of ginger here, or if you want me to be specific, then 70 grams of ginger to which I have sliced. Now in a pot, I'm putting 500 ml of water, half a liter. To that, I'm going to add my sliced ginger. Ginger goes in, and now I'm going to prepare my second ingredient, which is bay leaves. I have around 10 bay leaves here. Again, it has a lot of properties for medicines, and I'm just crushing it so that the goodness can come out in the water quickly. So both bay leaf and ginger has gone into the water. Now what you want to do is in medium flame, you want to bring it to a boil, which doesn't take long, maybe just few minutes. Once the mixture comes to a boil, you want to lower the flame, and now I'm going to add my third ingredient, and that's clove. Again, it has pain relief properties and it's been used in medicine for ages. I'm crushing them just a little bit for the same reason so that the good benefits can mix in the water soon. You want to boil it for another 5 minutes, but this time it's simmering. Temperature is low. And after 5 minutes, you want to turn off the heat, remove the pan from the heat, and let it cool down completely. Okay, it's very hot right now. Once it cools down, I'm going to pour it in a glass jar. Now, you want to make sure that your glass jar is sterilized because we are going to store it. Saving the mixture because we don't need any of the bay leaves or ginger to go in the mixture. That's why we are saving it out. And our mixture is almost ready. We still need to add one more ingredient, and that's honey. I have 4 tablespoons of honey here, which will sweeten up the mixture. And at the same time, I hope everyone knows honey is full of medicinal benefits. It's great for cold, flu, cough, and many other things. So I mixed in 4 tablespoons of honey in my jar, and my jar is a little bit uh, packed with the liquid. That's why I'm trying to be careful. Stir it completely, and once you are done stirring, our magic mixture is done. Now you can store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, and probably the Doritos lid is looking funny, but hey, I reuse my jars and bottles. When you want to consume this drink, all you gotta do is take 2 to 4 tablespoons of this drink in a glass and then add some lukewarm water to it. And you can have it in empty stomach, you can have it in full stomach. It's a magic drink which really works great, and I have tried it. It's my verdict. And you can give it to your kids as well. I give it to my 3-year-old toddler, and it works great. Give it a try at home, and if you find it helpful, I would like to request you to share this video with your friends and family who's suffering from phlegm, cold, or flu. Maybe it will help them get rid of them. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.